What if I told you that you could unlock CapCut Pro, all those premium effects, fonts, transitions without paying a single penny? Stay with me because in this video I will show you exactly how to use CapCut Pro completely free. Guys, first of all, you would have to open up CapCut on your computer. It's not a crack software or anything like that. I would show you basically a trick that you can use to export your videos after using pro effects, fonts and all that stuff on your videos. So basically I'm gonna export a video that I want to edit like this. I would drag onto the timeline. After that I would apply some pro effects, like go into effects, and I would apply this effect on my video, and I would go to filters. I would apply this 4K filter, that is pro again, and like this. Now I would also add a picture, and just to show you guys that how you can use all the pro features completely free. Once I'm done, I would give it an animation, that is also again a pro feature, like this one, slide up. Alright, so once I'm done with the edit, now finally I want to export my video. So whenever I click on export, it would show me that you are not using CapCut Pro, so you'd have to purchase CapCut Pro, join Pro in order to export this video. So what we will do is we will click on back to edit. Now right on the top you would be able to find the name of your project, that is in my case it's 1013. Now I would have to click on import, then go to the drive where my CapCut data is. I would click on CapCut, then click on CapCut drafts. You can also search for CapCut drafts in your C drive. In my case it's in F drive because I've installed this software in F drive. In your case it would be in C drive. After that I would click on 1013, then click on resources, then click on resources. Now right here you are not able to find anything right now, but we would go back like this and we would close this window right now. Now all I have to do is to select all these, right click them, click on create compound clip, then right click them again and then click on pre-process compound clip. It will take some seconds. Now again I would go to import, I would go to CapCut drafts once again, I would go to 1013, I would go to resources, and right here you would be able to find a folder of combination named as combination. I would have to open it, and there you go. Right here you would be able to find that video that you have completely edited, and here is the draft of that video. So what I will do is I will simply import this video into my CapCut, and I will simply drag this video in my timeline, delete the previous one, and you can see this is the same video that I have applied the effect on, and that, you know, that flag which animates up like this. So now I'm done with it. Previously when I clicked on export, it said me that you would have to upgrade to pro, but now when I click on export, it's not showing me anything. I can simply give it a title like example, and then simply select the desktop, select folder and click on export. I would show you guys that it actually works. I will go to back, close this one, and I would click on this video that I've just exported, and you guys can see that this video is now exported without any watermark or any hassle. So that's how you can easily use CapCut Pro completely free. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Hit that subscribe button below because it's completely free, and it motivates us to create more content like this. Like the video, it's completely free, and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.